Not much more than a few flurries. Some of that is moisture coming all the way for us from Lake Michigan. It comes all the way down across 75 near Lima and ends up in central Ohio. So not much of that actually creates those flurries, but every once in a while you see a few of those floating around. It's not enough to really show up on radar, but it is cold. Our high today was 38 degrees, and most of the day has felt like it's been in the teens or colder. So the air temperatures are only part of the story for the daytime today. Right now it's 24 degrees. Wind out of the west 20 miles an hour. That pushes your wind chill down to 10 right now. Flurries are still possible through part of the evening. Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions. Everybody's in the 20s right now. That's not going to last too much longer. We'll see some of these temperatures start to fall into the teens. These are your wind chills. It feels like 7 in Marysville right now. Mount Vernon at 8, Lancaster at 9, London at 10. So this is why if you have to get out this evening, make sure you are bundled up with lots of layers. Not expecting much in our part of the state for the night tonight. Will be partly cloudy through the night, and eventually the wind changes direction, and that will start to cut off that lake effect, but it's going to be a while before that actually happens. They're still under multiple warnings up along the lakeshore right now. 19 for the overnight low in Columbus tonight. Wind chills are going to be frigid again. A lot of places single digits, maybe if you're lucky 12 degrees, but a lot of areas single digits for the overnight low. Here's how that, or for the wind chills, here's what that looks like by 5 in the morning. See this? Still single digits for Lancaster. Courthouse down to 6 degrees first thing in the morning. And during the morning commute, some of that will begin to moderate a little bit. And as the wind lets up, by midday, you have wind chills that are in the teens again, and they'll start to moderate even more during the afternoon. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds during the day tomorrow. The breeze is actually coming out of the southwest, so it's not as frigid as what was coming out of the northwest. It's a different type of breeze, but still enough to create those wind chills. So layering up first thing in the morning, still going to feel pretty chilly in the afternoon during the afternoon commute. Here's Saturday morning. Saturday morning, a lighter breeze coming out of the southwest. It's not as windy, so all of this becomes good news for us for Toys for Tots on Saturday. We'll get some sunshine breaking through the clouds. It should actually be a relatively pleasant day and not as windy. So the wind gusts today have been 20 to 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow, let's say it's only 15 to 20. So that's an improvement. It's still cold, but it's at least better than it was today. Temperatures, air temperatures, climbing into the lower 30s during the daytime. We get to around 32 by mid-afternoon, and we'll stay partly cloudy through the rest of the day. Then, when we get into the weekend, we start a warming trend. 38 on Saturday. Will still be partly cloudy. The breeze out of the southwest helping to push those temperatures up a little bit. And even warmer on Sunday. Sunday, we're going for 50. We'll have warm air moving into the area, and this rain and rain-snow mix holds off until late in the evening. So your daylight hours are going to be dry, and then the rain comes in overnight. Will be wet Monday and Tuesday, but temperatures in the 50s.